So just this past week, I actually left and ended my Twitch affiliate contract. And I wanted to go ahead and tell you about not only the process that I went through to get there, because everything I found online was kind of questionable about exactly how you did it, but I also want to tell you why. Let's get into the video. Before we get into that, I just want to say thank you for stopping by. My name's Brandon, and I'm here to improve the streaming experience, not only for you, but also for your viewers. If you enjoy the video, make sure you hit it with a thumbs up to help it out in the YouTube algorithm, and maybe even consider subscribing. With that out of the way, let's talk about why I ended my Twitch affiliate contract and exactly how I did it. So a few months ago, I actually made the switch from streaming on Twitch 100% of the time to streaming on YouTube 100% of the time on my personal channel, which the link for that's in the description. I do still stream there. And I wanted to go ahead and make that push to streaming on a platform that I support 100%. At the time, they were doing a whole bunch of things that I didn't agree with hot tub streams and just over-sexualization and online gambling that I just couldn't get behind. And when I left the Twitch platform, I left my affiliate contract intact, and I didn't really pay it much attention until as of late. One of the people in my community actually asked, "Hey, why aren't you streaming on Twitch?" And I was explaining it to them, and then after doing research, a lot of the things that I was having problems with, like gambling, and even some of the things over hot tub streams and stuff like that, had somewhat been resolved and were getting better, and I didn't really have something to answer them on. So I considered the idea of maybe I should just stream on both platforms because they were really interested in watching me on that platform. So the main reason why I ended my contract, I wanted to start multi-streaming and to see how beneficial it was as a creator, especially at the small creator level. So starting last week, I actually went ahead and did this. Not only did I stream on YouTube at high bit rate, 1080p, 60 frames, but I went ahead and streamed on Twitch, 720p low bit rate. And if you want to know how I did that, go ahead and check the video that I'll link up here in the corner. So some of you are probably saying, well, why didn't you just do this beforehand? So if you didn't know, inside of the Twitch affiliate contract and the partner contract, there is an exclusivity clause, which means that if you stream on that platform, that they own that content from the time that that stream ends to the next 24 hours, then you can post it on any platform you choose, TikTok, YouTube, whatever the case. And that exclusivity clause prevented you from multi-streaming once you've gotten in to be able to get subs and bits and monetization and ads. They want you to be on that platform making money as much time as they can just on that stream, so they put that exclusivity clause in there. Oh, and side note, they're the only platform that has that exclusivity clause. So I said, well, I'm not streaming necessarily on this platform to make money right now. I'm really wanting to just allow my audience to be able to view me wherever they want. So I went ahead and reached out to Twitch through their customer support page and went ahead and put in a ticket to offboard for Twitch affiliate. All those links that for this process will be in the description, and I'll go ahead and show you the emails that went back and forth between me and Twitch support. And one of the things that I was able to realize is that they answered me very quickly on getting offboarded, and also took almost no time getting the request back for me to go ahead and finish all of that. They asked simple things like your IP, your username, transactions, and stuff like that, just to verify your identity before removing that affiliate. Now, one of the things you might ask yourself, can you get back into the affiliate program or partner program? And based upon the questions that I asked them, the answer is yes, because I took the time to offboard correctly. And as of right now, I only have one more stream to do, and I could apply for affiliate again. I don't think I'm going to do that for a good while, and maybe even until I reach partner, but that is that option if you consider wanting to get back into that contract. So let me be clear. This isn't a video about me telling you that you should end your affiliate contract, because people are actually making money off of their bits and subs and are probably relying on that money for their brand and business. This is me telling you about my process, what I had to go through with Twitch to end the affiliate contract and what motivated me to doing so. However, in concerns to multi-streaming, I'm going to go ahead and make some more videos coming up recently about how I work with alerts on multiple platforms, chat on multiple platforms, and how I don't use things like Mob Crush or Restream to be able to accomplish this. So make sure you stick around for content like that if you're considering getting into multi-stream. And again, if you want to check me out on stream, I stream Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on my personal YouTube channel, as well as on my Twitch channel. Both of those links are in the description below. I stream Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 9 p.m. EST. Look forward to seeing you there. And that'll bring us to the end of the video. If you want to see how I multi-stream, check this video out that I talked about earlier in the video. I'll link it over here. And if you want more streaming tips, check out this playlist over here. I'm Brandon, and welcome to the darkness. We'll catch you next time.